Nigga, I'm bad. I'm bad. Okay.
Bitch, I'm back, I could never miss a beat. I would never miss a nigga, I cut off, he missing me. Like, bitch, are you kidding me? I'm a player, this is me. We not locking lips, but he still kissing ass and kissing feet. Oh God, I love my nigga and I think he love me. I love my nigga and I think he love me. I love the head and I think it's lovely. Ay, and he a slut, so he could never judge me.
Like it wants you. But that booty gon' do what it wants to. Can't hit it one time, multiple. I know you see these red press on me. Now come get This right back. Come on. I know you wanna get Tony Montana with the bread. Nigga, I'm bad. I'm bad. Okay. What's up, y'all? So I filmed my face on a TikTok. I didn't do the whole thing, but let's get into the skin and the lips. So I'm doing this look. Look, honey, this is why I don't do the long videos. Who want to be sitting here editing, cutting shit out for 30,000 years? Okay, we got straight to the base, straight to the lips, and now we're gonna get straight into the eyes. I'm not gonna talk and I'm not gonna do a voiceover. I don't think. I'm gonna listen to music and I'm gonna vibe out. So I'm very nervous about this look, y'all. I hope this turns out the way I want it to, but smoke with me, drink with me, dance with me, sing with me, rock with me, and let's get into this look. Okay, guys?
Fall in love with me. You fell in love with the man I could be. You ain't fall in love with me. You fell in love with your vision of me. You ain't no good. I know I'm supposed to do about that. I'm on go. I've been moving state to state. I went pro. Baby, plenty dough. Heavy flow. Crazy, I can ease your mind if you're going through something. That don't mean I can cure depression. Cure thing, I'll free my night if you wanna do something. But I'm taking your direction. You ain't fall in love with me. You fell in love with the man I could be. You ain't fall in love. Fell in love with your vision of me. You've been weird, I've been low. She said she don't believe that. She think I'm gross. I can't even hug her. She gon' know. To fight me for the hell of it. Gotta dip, gotta go somewhere. Have I been wrong? Have I been gone too long to know where I belong? Whoa. You ain't fall in love with me. You fell in love with the man I could be. You ain't fall in love, no. You fell in love with your vision of me.
Hey, my mama said, fuck it, nigga, hit the streets and live. Got some crack in the corner and I did what I did. The neighbors, they don't like me, I got J's at the door. Told my grandma I don't need a bed, I'm sleeping on the floor. Got my tool in my flow, they're my two main hoes. Me and all my walls stick together like the Zoes. I say who got the yay for the low, and I keep birds with me like I'm straight out Holly Grove. They itchy for the paper. My fingers, they itchy for the paper. I'm riding around the city and I got that calculator. I'm a motherfucking monster when they come to get that paper. Hey, my fingers, they itchy for the paper. My fingers, they calculator. I'm a motherfucking monster when it come to get that paper. I'm a dog, and I eat that dog food. I'm a G. I put red on all my shoes. Come and see. My life familiar got Peru, and I plead. Got chickens in the coop, got shotters that'll shoot, and I stay on DJ Screw. When you drop it, it coming back like DJ Clue. I make a profit, I can go and buy a school. I'm an A1 that can't lose, free bang ain't put you on the news. Then hit blue flame, shoot booze, put 20 in my tube, that's 20,000 food. I put a plate together, like pavement and do. I'm rapping dope to you. They itch for the paper. My fingers, they itch for the paper. I'm riding around the city and I got that calculator. I'm a motherfucking monster when it comes to getting that paper. I ain't got fingers, they itch for the paper. My fingers, they itch for the paper. I'm riding around the city and I got my calculator. I'm a motherfucking monster when it comes to getting that paper.
Feeling myself.